video, we are going to check out the Chefman's electric kettle. This is a 1.8 liter. It's used to boil hot water. What I like about it is that the packaging is very easy to open and use, and then it comes with these instructions as well as your safety guide to make sure that you can use this to its best ability without any harm. Now, the top of this is stainless steel and it is removable. Not only that, it does have the stainless steel filter at the top so that when you're pouring the water out, there is a small filtration system right there. And then when you're looking at it is glass underneath it, so that gives it a cool look so that once your water boils, you can actually see it. And then it has the LED lighting around the outside to give you that color contrast for a really cool effect while you're boiling water. Next up, you have the second piece to this, which is your electric disc, which is what charges up the water. You just plug that in, set the kettle on top, click down the button, and you're ready to go in just a few minutes. You've got hot water and you've had a entertaining way to watch it.
Hi guys, my name is Irene. I'm just popping on here real quick to give you guys a review on this Chefman electric water kettle. So I've had it for about 6 months now, and I use it for coffee every morning. It's very, very light. It comes with a base, which I'll show shortly. About 1.8 liters is what they have marked on here. It's in here. It heats up very, very fast, I find. The top just pops off like so, and then you can add your water in there. But let me demonstrate this to you. So I have filled the kettle about halfways, and this tab right here, you push it down to start the kettle. But as you can see, here's the base. It just pops on and off fairly easy, like so, and pop it right back on. So I'm gonna turn it on, just pressing this down. It lights up, and then in a few seconds or so, it'll start bubbling, and then wait like a minute or two, and you have hot water. So if you're in the market for an electric kettle for your coffee, teas, whatever it is that you drink in the morning, I definitely recommend this one.
Hey, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick review on this Chefman electric kettle. So I actually went ahead and started it before I did this so that you guys could see the whole process. So basically you fill it up wherever you want with the water. There's a max line and a minimum line. You turn it on, and this light comes on while it's boiling, and then like you just saw, it turns off once it's done boiling. It's super awesome. We use it multiple times a day. It's lasted forever, and it's very quick and efficient. The only thing is, read the manual, because you are only supposed to do water in here. We tried to do milk for my kids, hot cocoa, and that's a no-no. But we were able to clean it out with vinegar, and it works great. So if you do that, just know you can come back from it.